today's video, we're going to be unbagging our Ipsy Glam bag for the month of November. So before we jump into the video, guys, if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here, we always embrace the hot mess, which I am like a struggling hot mess today. I am like really tired and run down feeling for some reason. So anyways, have no fear, I've got my cotton candy bang here, so hopefully by the end of this video, I don't know, I've been saying it for about 3 videos, but at some point this caffeine has got to kick in because your girl is on the struggle bus hardcore. But fortunately for all of us, it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone, so hopefully I can pull this together. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so a little information about the Ipsy Glam bag. This is $12 a month. This was sent to me in PR to unbox and review for you guys. Now, Haley and I also do purchase Ipsy GlamBag and GlamBag Plus, and we always come back and do an Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter. So don't worry, guys. Those videos will be coming to you as soon as we get those paid for bags. But like I said, this was sent over in PR. Make sure to check Haley's channel out because she is also receiving this in PR and she potentially could have something completely different. I don't know. So check her channel out. We're trying really hard to get her monetized over there. So this is $12 a month with free shipping, and of course you do have to pay tax. It is supposed to be profile based, and you do get to customize one item in here. Now, as far as Ipsy goes, they do have different subscriptions you can choose from. The one we're sticking with today is $12, but there's also a $25 a month subscription that they do offer where it's 5 full-size products, and you do get to customize 3 out of the 5 products. The other 2 items they do choose for you based off of your profile. Then there's the Ipsy Ultimate, and I think that one's like $50. It is monthly. I have personally never subscribed to that one, so I don't know how many items you can choose as far as that goes. So jumping right in, there was that like brush laying in the box, and I assumed this would go for maybe the glam bag. So I could be up because, like I said, it was sent in PR, and when it's sent in PR, it's sent in a box, and not everything is bagged up other than what was in here. So this item right here, this brush is from A Perfect 10 MOTD. So, ooh, there we go. So this is a nice brush. This is actually nice and soft as far as that goes. Nice like powder brush. Or maybe you could use this as a contour, you think? I don't really know. I don't think I use brushes what they're actually meant for some things. I just kind of do what I want. Anyways, this bag I think is really cute, nice and fall-y. It's like pleather type of dealio. Nice little coral accent zipper. Jumping right in, the first item I see here, and I think this is what I picked in my paid for bag as well. This is by Tatcha, and this is a deep cleanse, and I was really excited about it because it is a decent size. It's 0.85 fluid ounces, and this is the clarifying Japanese loofah fruit extract for normal to oily skin. Now I have like normal to like dry skin, but I figured because I have a little bit of an acne prone skin sometimes, this might not be too bad to try out. And I've always heard wonderful things about Tatcha, and I love the Tatcha, ooh, I'm dropping stuff, like the Dewy Skin Mist, the Tatcha Silk Canvas. They're very good. Ooh, okay. So again, keep in mind, these are brands you're going to be seeing in your Ipsy Glam bag for the month of November. The next one that I'm seeing is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a lip gloss in the shade Moon Jelly, and I may have this. For some reason, I'm thinking I have this shade. Oh, I do, and I really like it. It's kind of like an iridescent. It looks like it's like gonna be clear or white, but when the light hits it, it's got like a pink and purpley shift to it. So very pretty. I'm not going to open it because I know somewhere in here, somewhere I have one open already. The next item that I see is by iCode. This is the Rockout Blackout Mascara. I feel like a lot of you guys say that you love the iCode mascara, or maybe Haley. I have a ton of mascaras open as well, so I'm not going to get into this one just yet. But you guys know how much I love mascaras. The next item I see in here is by Sugar Rush, which is a brand off of Tarte. This is the Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil in Fresh Pressed. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? This is really precious. It has a really nice scent to it. I have some lipstick on, so I'm just gonna put some on the back here. Oh, I thought this was gonna be really sticky. It's actually not. Not as sticky as I was expecting. Okay, I like that. I'm not mad about that, and I think it's cute. That's really fun looking. Okay, and then the last item I see in here is by Glow Recipe. This is the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. I've been so curious to how this smells. Oh, it's got a thingy on there. Oh, no, it don't. Okay. Does that have a scent? If it does, it's a super, super soft scent. Like in my head, I wanted it to smell like the Banana Laffy Taffy or something. I've been really curious about this. This is like a nice like cream type of product. I don't know if you guys can see. That's a good amount too. That's a really good amount. Oh, it's thick. I like that. Going into the winters, like winter months. Yeah, I can't tell if I smell something or not, guys. You guys know my allergies have been a mess. But I will tell you guys, it doesn't feel insanely heavy, but it's definitely got a nice, comfortable, like, moisture benefit to it. I like that. I definitely really like that. So like I said, these are all brands you are going to see in your Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of November. Let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Like I said, Haley and I will be coming back and doing our Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter, and she will be also unbagging and unboxing over on her channel. So make sure to go show her some love and see what all she receives in her Ipsy bags as well. Like I said, guys, I am like majorly on the struggle bus. Like, forming words together is like, it's a little too much. I feel like I need to go take a nap, and I still have like 2 more videos to film, so this is going to be a really interesting day. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video enough to stick around, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. Just like that, I forgot. I also have a second channel, HOTMESSMOMMAMD Vlogs, where I upload Tuesdays and Thursday nights at 9 p.m. Eastern time over there. And I think that's all I have for you guys. Stay tuned for our Ipsy versus Ipsy, and until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.